Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another one of my RocksBox unboxings. It has been a while since I got one of these, so I'm really excited to open this up. As you know, RocksBox is a subscription, a jewelry subscription service. So with your monthly fee, you get 3 pieces of jewelry in every single RocksBox, and there's no limit to how many RocksBoxes you can get in a month. So if I use these up and then send them back, I can get up to 3 boxes in a month. So that is why I love them. You don't have to commit to actually buying these pieces. You just pay for your membership. These pieces are from designers like Kendra and Kate Spade and House of Harlow. So they are like $60, $100, $120. So what I love about this is that I basically have a bottomless jewelry with RocksBox, and I don't have to commit to buying these individual pieces, because if I did buy individual pieces every single month, I mean, how much money is that? And I do not. I live in a New York City apartment. I don't have the space. So again, that is why I love RocksBox, because I'm getting to try out things that I love, brands that I love, but also discovering new brands, trying out new trends. Let's open this up. So here is a little booklet which gives me information about each box. I want to be surprised, so I'm going to set this aside. One of the things that you can do with RocksBox is that they will email you the 3 pieces a stylist has selected for you based on your taste and your what you filled out in your survey. But you can switch out those pieces if you are not interested or prefer to get something else. So I know that I switched out these pieces, but because I do that and immediately forget about it, I know one thing that is coming, but I can't remember what the other pieces are. So anyway, here's a little jewelry care card. Ooh, new paper. There we go. Ooh, Kendra Scott. I love Kendra Scott. These 2 hoop earrings are from their fine jewelry collection. These are their diamond jet hoops, huggy hoops. Love Kendra Scott. I'm gonna set that aside. This is by Rudiment, which it's a brand that I discovered through RocksBox and I really, really like. And then this one is just a black bag. Let's open this one first. Okay, this is the one I remembered. This is a new brand that I have not seen before. This is Melinda Maria, and it is a string of safety pins. Let's open up the Rudiment bag. Cool. Okay, so these, I do remember these. These are 3 rings and 3 different metal tones. The rose gold and the yellow gold have crystals on them, and the silver toned ring is just solid. I really like that. That's really pretty. Very cool. And then the last piece, as I mentioned, is from Kendra Scott. Oh my gosh. See, still with tags, it retails for $78. And it is a necklace, gold toned, with their signature logo little shape with white crystals on them. So pretty. And I love that they're long. I love long necklaces. So pretty. Since I have the necklace on and the ring, let me try those earrings as well. How cool is that? I haven't switched out my earrings since my last RocksBox, actually, so this is refreshing. Yeah, that's cool. That's super cool. Oh, I like that a lot. That is so fun. Okay, let's read about these pieces. So, hey gorgeous. Rock your stylist picks, wear your pieces for as long as you'd like. If you love it, buy it. Don't want to part with something? Purchase your faves with your monthly $21 membership credit at RocksBox.com. The membership is only $21 a month, and for that price, again, you get to borrow unlimited amount of jewelry, whatever you can fit in a month, however many boxes you can fit in a month, and you can actually use that credit to purchase anything that you do fall in love with. And usually when you do purchase, you get a membership discount price for those pieces, so I love that. Okay, so the Melinda Maria Pave Safety Pin Drops retail for $82. The Rudiment Soma ring set retails for $63, and the Kendra Scott Rulong strand necklace in gold is $78. And again, I could use the $21 that I paid for my membership towards the purchase of any of these pieces. So I mean, that is a huge plus. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know which piece is your favorite. Do you think I should purchase any of these? Let me know in the comment section below, or feel free to leave any comments, make any requests, or just say hi. I love to hear from you guys. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.